हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो सब लोग? सब कुछ बढ़िया? चलो यहाँ पर एक क्विकली क्वेश्चन लेते हैं हम. इट वाज आस्क्ड इन नीट 2018. Let's read the question. A pendulum is hung from the roof of sufficiently high building and is moving freely to and fro like a simple harmonic oscillator. The acceleration of the bob of the pendulum is what? 20 meter per second square at a distance of 5 meter. Okay, like from the main position. And they're asking us to find out the time period. Chalo, ठीक है. So what's given over there? You can see the acceleration is given over here, right? So A is given and the displacement is again given, okay, from the mean position. So X is given. Now we know that like acceleration is nothing but omega square x, right? Okay, so if you know the formula, you can directly find it out. So from that we'll find out the omega, and we having formula for the time period, that is what? Time period is equal to 2 pi by omega, right? So we can use that. So let's find out the value of acceleration, sorry, omega first. So acceleration is what? 20 is equal to omega square into x is what? 5. Okay, so we'll get the omega square, that will be 20 upon 5, which is what? 4. So omega will be 2, right? So omega will be 2 radian per second. Okay, so we're having omega now, so we'll put the value over here. You'll get the 2 pi by omega is what? Let's say uh 2. Okay, so 2 will get cancelled. You'll get the pi second. Okay, so that's what the time period. So I think like B1 is what a correct answer. Just 1 minute, let me block. Yeah, this one is what our correct answer. Yeah, bye bye.